Hello, welcome to the another video of rational numbers. In previous video, we solved previous questions like question number 6. Now today in this video, we will solve question number 7, 8 and 9. So let's start. Question number 7. Question number 7. What is question number 7 is telling? Tell what property allows you to compute. We have 2 multiplication. This 2 multiplication 1 by 3 into 6 into 1 by 4 as 1 by 3 into 6 into 4 by 3. Tell what property allows you to compute this. So which property allows us to compute this? So see here 2 groups, 1 and 2, and numbers are same. So here see, here 2 different groups. Okay, in first group 6 and 1 by 4 are in the group, and here 1 by 3 and 6. 3 numbers are same, but order of multiplication is different. Here first we multiply 6 and 1 by 4, then we multiply it with 1 by 3. Here first we multiply 1 by 3 and 6, then we multiply this with 4 by 3. So this is which property? This is okay. I said that whenever you see group, then remember one term, associativity. Associativity means make group. Okay, if we have 3 numbers and we make we make different group without changing order of number, then we will get same answer. Here we do not change order of numbers. Okay, see here, first 1 by 3, first 1 by 3, second 6, second 6, third 1 by 4, here 4 by 3, third 4 by 3, third 4 by 3. So here we did not change order of numbers, but we make different group. Okay, so this is which property? This is associativity. For which operation? For multiplication. For multiplication. So this is question number 7. Now question number 8. What is question number 8? Is 8 by 9 the multiplicative inverse of minus 1 by 8. Why or why not? If 8 by 9 is multiplicative inverse of minus 1 by 8, then why? And if not, then why not? Okay, we have to say this. First, what question is? Question is that whether 8 by 9 is multiplicative inverse of minus 1 by 8, minus 1 by 8, not or not. Okay. So here this is improper fraction, we know. Okay, when we say that this number is improper fraction, when in p by q form, whenever numerator is greater than denominator, in p by q form numerator is greater than denominator, then this rational number is called improper fraction. First, here this improper fraction, this can be written as minus 1 into 8, 8 into minus a 1 plus 1 by 8. Okay, no, minus 1 is not there. Minus 1 is general sign. So 8 ones are 8. 8 plus 1, 9. So this is 9 by 8. And here numerator is greater than denominator. So this is improper fraction. So this is improper fraction. Okay, so we have, okay, minus 9 by 8. So we have to tell that whether 8 by 9 is multiplicative inverse of minus 9 by 8 or not. So, okay. And we studied that what is multiplicative inverse. Multiplicative inverse is reciprocal. Multiplicative inverse is reciprocal. And in reciprocal, we change the position of numerator and denominator. We do not change sign. Okay, here see. In this number, okay, if we assume that this second number is multiplicative inverse of 8 by 9, then from where this minus sign have came? Okay, so this is false, because the multiplicative inverse of any number, okay, if the number has not minus sign, then its multiplicative inverse does not have any minus sign. Okay, here this rational number has not any minus sign, but its multiplicative inverse is have. So this is false. Okay, this is false. So we can say that 8 by 9 is not. Okay, we change the order of numerator array, positions of numerator and denominator, but here minus sign is there. So by this minus sign we can say that 8 by 9 is not multiplicative inverse of minus 9 by 8. Minus 9 by 8 is, okay, we have given that minus 1 by 8, and we convert this improper fraction into p by q. How we convert this into this? How? We multiply 8 into 1 and plus 1. 8 ones are 8. 8 plus 1, 9, and denominator is same. Okay, so answer is 8 by 9 is not multiplicative inverse of 9 by 8, because, okay, we also have asked that why or why not. So because 8 by 9 is not negative, but minus 9 by 8 is negative. So this is not multiplicative inverse of 8 by 9. Let's move on question number 9. So what is question 9? Question 9 is is 0.3 is multiplicative inverse of 3 1 by 3? This is the question. So first, by 0.3, this is decimal number. This decimal number can be converted into p by q form, and we know if we remove this decimal point, then we have numerator. We have 3 as numerator. But if we remove decimal point, then we have to write denominator as the form of 1 and after number of 0. But how many number of 0 we should put? So then see how many digits are there after this point. So 1 digit only. So we write 3 by 10. So this 3 by 10 is equal to 0.3. Now this is 3 by 10. Now this is improper fraction. So we also convert this improper fraction into p by q. So this is, again I say, what is improper fraction? When we have p by q form number and numerator is greater than denominator, then it is called improper fraction. So this is how to convert into it into p by q form. Then 3 into 3, 9. 9 plus 1, 10, and denominator is 3. So this is improper fraction. Numerator is greater than denominator. So see, in question we have to check whether 3 by 10 is the multiplicative inverse of 10 by 3 or not. Then yes, because if we change the position of this, then we get 10 by 3, and in reciprocal we change the positions of numerator and denominator. So we write as 3 by 10 is multiplicative inverse of 10 by 3. And another question is why this 3 by 10 is multiplicative inverse of 10 by 3. So because, and this answer can be right by the help of definition of multiplicative inverse. Okay, because if we do multiplication of 10 by 3 and its inverse, what is inverse of 10 by 3 is 3 by 10, then we get, what we get if we multiply 3 by 10 and its inverse, then we get 3 by 10 into 10 by 3 is equal to 1. We get 1. Then this is true that 3 by 10, 3 by 10 is multiplicative inverse of 10 by 3. And in previous question we should write like this. Okay, if we multiply, what is the question? Question was that 8 by 9 is multiplicative inverse of -1 by 8. So, and we checked that 8 by 9 is not multiplicative inverse of -1 by 8, and it is improper fraction, and we converted into -9 by 8. So this -9 by 8 and multiplication of this -9 by 8 and 8 by 9 is not equal to 1, because in definition of multiplicative inverse, if we multiply number and its multiplicative inverse, then we get 1. So in previous question we did not get 1, so we can write as, okay, if we do multiplication of 8 by 9 and its inverse, 8 by 9 and -9 by 9 by 8, then we do not get 1. Okay, so this is not multiplicative inverse of -1 by 8. This is for previous question. In this question 3 by 10 is multiplicative inverse of 10 by 3. So this is for today's video. In next video we will continue our exercise and we will complete this exercise. Okay, so stay tuned for another videos of rational numbers.